And let's go over this really quickly. Because one of our circuit court judges is listed as a witness for the state of Florida in the above referenced perjury case in which the defendant is self-represented, I don't know why that matters, it appears the proper administration of justice requires that a circuit judge from outside the 13th Judicial Circuit be appointed to preside over the case. Therefore, I respectfully request that you appoint a circuit judge from outside the 13th Judicial Circuit to preside over the above referenced case. And there he is, Judge Ronald Figueroa. Now, maybe I'm a little biased, but I don't think it should have taken him that long to ask for another judge. So now we got that out of the way. So let's go back into doing this right here. Now we can go into the police report too. And actually there's a couple of other things. Let me try this page. Now here's what's going to be interesting. I'm going to show you. Come out of here. I want to show you what, according to the police detective, happened. Not according to me, according to him. Open up, man. There we go. So I'm going through this. And by the way, again, all this is available in the Dropbox because I'm giving you a sneak peek into what the Dropbox looks like. And I want you to find quite a bit here. It's on one of these pages where he's going to say he received. Oh, there's that transcript that Judge Holder. See that? So he set this thing up to bring me in, didn't swear me in, oddly enough, and then began to ask me a bunch of questions. He took over and then told them to file it. So there's a transcript. Okay, so it's not in this one. I want to show you all the thing that jumped off the page to me, at me, literally, when I got this information. And by the way, they were really slow to get me the information regarding Victor and Holder. And by the way, see, they had the little mug shot at me. They had me looking like a stone cold criminal. I want you all to read this right here along with me. During the month of February 2017, I was contacted by the Honorable Judge Greg Holder, who has a civil case in his courtroom regarding a pending bankruptcy hearing involving the suspect Doss. How I became a suspect, I don't know, but what's even more interesting is the circuit is in Hillsborough County. We all know bankruptcies do not take place in the circuit court, they take place in the federal court. Nonetheless, Holder related that the suspect filed a sworn document. The court advised him he was indigent, did not own any real property, had no source of income. Believing that a fraud was being committed, researched the Hillsborough County Property Appraiser's website and located real property owned by suspect Doss and requested this perjury be investigated by law enforcement. Now, he's saying this is what the investigation led to, but his investigation never gathered any facts that would show any of this to be true. Kind of interesting. I guess it's against the law for certain people to own property in Hillsborough County. That being said, let's go back to this right here.
And I apologize for being late. I had a traffic and finding my parking spot over here. So y'all can sit for a moment. Let me just kind of figure this out. So we are here in the 13th Circuit in the case of State versus Doss. Are you Mr. Doss?